Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Future Skills. So today I'm going to discuss with you on most of the causes of why our phone is being overheat, why your phone is hot always. So your phones often get hot from overuse or from having too many active apps. Your phone may also overheat due to malware, misbehaving software, or exposure to direct sunlight. It is normal for phones to get a bit warm, but sustained heat can signal a deeper problem. Now, if your phone is overheat, these are the 4 things you need to try to minimize so that your phone will stop being overheat. Number 1 of them is that you need to minimize the long hours of streaming you are doing on your phone, the live streaming you are using your phone to do. This could be one of the causes of your phone being overheat. So number 2 is that you are running too many apps at the same time on your phone. So you need to minimize the usage of apps you use on your phone and try to focus on the ones that are more important. So number 3 is that you're leaving your phone in direct contact with sunlight, and this could result in your phone being overheat and hot. So the last one you could be doing without knowing that this is helping your phone to be overheat or hot is that when you are charging your phone, you are charging it with the casings on. So with that, your phone will not have enough space to breathe. So, and it could cause it to be overheat and hot. So for you to stop your phone from being overheat and hot, so after you must have tried all these things and your phone is still overheat and hot, then follow me in this method I'm going to show you right now on how to use developers options to stop your phone from being overheat or hot. Okay, so probably this will help you to stop your phone from being hot and overheat. So let's get started. So go to your phone search bar and search for build number. Tap on the build number. So here, tap on the build number 7 times to be able to activate developers mode on your phone. So once that is done, go back to the search bar and search for developers options. So select it. So scroll down all the way down until you get to background process limit. Tap on it. Here you will have to choose no background processes, and this will help your phone to stop overheating, okay? And that's it. So if this is helpful, please consider to subscribe to this channel and like and share the video so that others will see it and benefit from it, okay?